The suspect in the University of Idaho murders case is due back in court today. Lawyers for accused killer Bryan Kohberger are trying to take the death penalty off the table. Our Kana Whitworth is in Boise, Idaho with the latest.
With their client's life on the line, Bryan Kohberger's defense team makes an attempt to have the death penalty taken off the table.
All rise. District Court is now in session.
Attorneys for the man accused of brutally stabbing 4 University of Idaho students to death, arguing that the prosecutor's insistence on the death penalty violates both the Constitution and Kohberger's rights.
His defense team throwing literally everything, including the kitchen sink, to try to get the death penalty off the table.
In the state of Idaho, execution by firing squad is permitted if lethal injection drugs are not available. His defense team pointing to that directly, saying lethal injection is not viable.
The defense is arguing that the inability to choose, but being forced to have a firing squad, is a violation of Bryan Kohberger's 8th Amendment for cruel and unusual punishment.
Kohberger now facing trial in Boise, hundreds of miles away from where the 2022 murders of Kaylee Gonzalez, Madison Mogan, Xana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin took place. Kaylee's parents frustrated with the venue change and pace of the court.
This whole community has been victimized by this person, and they deserve to have a hand in part of the healing and the justice.
Do you feel like justice is not being served because this is taking so long?
I feel like we're being patient, but as a consequence of that, we should be able to keep it here.
The defense, who says Kohberger is innocent, successfully argued that Kohberger would not have an impartial jury in Moscow, citing extensive media coverage tainting the jury pool.
And Diana, as Bryan Kohberger's defense team makes the argument against the death penalty here, they've filed 13 motions to cite reasons why they think it is unconstitutional. They say there's been an ideological shift in this country, and they're really pushing back hard on this new law signed by Idaho's governor that allows execution by firing squad. Now, this trial is slated to start in August, but Diana, a reminder that next week marks 2 years since the murders.
ABC's Kana Whitworth, thank you.